Let's get to the trader rundown now. Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives is trading from home today. It's already been a wild week, Tim.
Yeah, I think, the action we saw yesterday was very encouraging, certainly coming out of, the stimulus side. Finally, everyone had been waiting on that. We saw the big rate cuts, but the stimulus and what, we're seeing coming out of Washington, I think is reassuring. That's really what we need now. And I kind of like the fact the market is not up huge. These days where we just rip higher than pull back. I think a couple days of just back and forth will probably be a telling sign that maybe the volatility has calmed down here. Maybe things are trying to get back to normal, although it will certainly take a while to achieve that.
What sectors in particular could spring back quicker than others?
Yeah, I think, the tech sector certainly, simply because they don't have the exposure. They also have the ability, obviously, because they are the tech sector, to get back remotely a lot more quickly than certainly some of the, heavy duty industrials and the like that need physical workers, on site to create their product. Tech by itself can probably live remotely almost as seamlessly as having, a workplace environment. So I think, the names like Apple, Microsoft, and the like that have been beaten down, finally showing like they're carving out a bottom here. Actually like the dividend yield on these stocks as well. Put a covered call over the top of it. Volatility is still very high. That means you can sell expensive calls, bring down your costs, hedge your downside. And I like that combination in this market environment. I think using covered call strategies on top of buying some of those stocks makes a lot of sense here. Go out about 6 months, kind of set it and forget it. Who knows what's going to happen over the next 2 weeks or 2 months? But I think over the next 2 years, stocks will probably be appreciably higher.
Are there any sectors that you're staying away from?
I think, the bonds have had their rally here. I think gold certainly is looking a little bit toppy here. I think those safe haven assets are probably ones to stay away from. They probably have served, what they were bought for, but I think going forward, they'll probably underperform.
Thank you, Tim. Always great to have you on the show. Thank you.
You bet. Thanks, Dan. You too.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.